Hello and welcome to Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. This is Priyanka. So in this particular video, I will be giving you the updates with respect to PGCET 2021, GATE 2022 and PWD 2021 exam which will be happening on December 13th, 14th, 15th and the licensed survey notification which you have received just few days before. So I'll be giving you the information about all these four in detail now. So first let's take up with the PGCET 2021. So ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬೇಕು just 2 days before they have given the link in KEA website that you need to update the marks of your engineering. Yes, so it is very simple. So even if you have CGPA system in your college, so they have given you the process of converting the CGPA to the percentage. So you need to convert the percentage and update all the 4 years results in KEA website. So once you do this, very soon your PGCET 2021 results will be out. So as I promised in my previous video that very soon I will be making a video on previous year mock cutoff for PGCET 2020. So every college ಒಳಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ದಟ್ which branch you will be getting in which college. So before that I would like to give you the information that there are 15 branches of MTech in civil engineering, like MTech in structures, environmental, geotech engineering, water resource engineering, transportation engineering, CAD structures, earthquake engineering, pre-stressed concrete. So there are 15 branches. So lot of students are asking me, ma'am, which college we have to choose, which branch you have to choose. See, as a teacher I cannot tell that you need to go to this college, that college and all. That doesn't look good from my part. So when I discuss about the previous year cutoff, so from that only you should analyze that which college you have to choose. So this decision I am leaving on you guys. So now when you ask me, ma'am, which branch is better, whether structures is better, highway is better, geotech is better, environment is better. See, first of all, to make the decision, first you need to know in which branch you are interested. That is the first point. Second thing is which branch is having more demand in this. And some of the students choose MTech branch based on which branch is easy. So ma'am, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ಥಿಯರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, I can do it really well. Structures I find it difficult. See, there are many criteria which you have to think upon before selecting the MTech course or the branch. It doesn't mean that randomly ನನಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಾಗ ಇದೆ MTech ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದ್ನಿ. ನೀವು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲ್ and whichever branch of MTech or college you join now, your future depends on that. Remember that very much carefully. So structures of jana eduk choose ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ opportunities are more because whichever the construction company you take, so obviously there is a need of structural engineer. But some students feel that ma'am ಬಹಳ ಜನ MTech structures ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ because most of the colleges where civil engineering is there, they have MTech structures. ಸೊ MTech ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಂತರ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಭಾಳ ಐತ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಜಿಯೋಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಹೈವೇ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್. See, that's what I told. So all this depends on you, how you will take the decision accordingly. So geotech engineering is also really good, highway is good, environment is good, all the branches are really good. But here opportunities are less. So obviously end of the day you need one opportunity. So if that opportunity is best and if that is the opportunity which you are looking for since long, then obviously you can grab that opportunity. So now I will be discussing about how many branches are there and in how many colleges these individual branches are there. So firstly, structural engineering 46 colleges, highway technology or transportation 10 colleges, geotech 4, environment 9, construction technology and management 15 colleges, computer aid design of structure 7 college, civil engineering 1, water resource engineering and management 2, infrastructure engineering and management 1, health science and water resource engineering 1, pre-stressed concrete 1, earthquake engineering 1, water and land management 1, geoinformatics 1, wastewater management 1. So these are the branches of previous years. Okay, there might be some addition or deletion of any of the branches this year. So 2020 ಏನು data ಐತಲ್ಲ, I am discussing about that data. So now let's see the cutoff of every college where the MTech is offered in civil engineering, and I will be discussing the cutoff of general merit. Remember that because it's very difficult for me to discuss each category wise cutoff. And one more thing, remember, if you belong to any of the category, okay, so the category cutoff can be less or more than general merit. So it doesn't mean that, for example, I will tell you, for one college, okay, XYZ college, if general merit 1000 is the last rank, okay, then if there is any caste category, so it can be even 900 also, it can be even 1500 also. It all depends on how many seats are there with respect to that category, and how many students have crossed the limit marks or the qualifying marks for that particular category. So ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಗ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಗಿಂತ ನಂದು ಕಮ್ಮಿನೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ always. Okay, so it can be more or less. I have listed 67 colleges in entire Karnataka which are offering MTech specialization with respect to civil engineering. So all these are arranged with respect to alphabetical order. So if you see Adi Chunchandgiri Institute of Technology Chikmagalur, structural engineering is there here in this college. And in PGCET 2020 mock allotment, the last rank was 8201. Okay, so this is with respect to general merit. Same way Alpha College of Engineering 9024. So you can see BLD College of Engineering has two branches. Environment Structural Engineering 10700 was the last rank, here 5500. BMS College, so these are the ranks. So what I suggest you guys is take screenshot of all this, because I won't be explaining all this, because see, you guys are scattered in entire Karnataka, so your college of preference will be different, because some of the students choose the college in the city in which they are located, and some of the students choose the college which are only in Bangalore. So there are many other criteria, and some of the colleges want only this specialization only. So different criteria irati, different thoughts irtavo. So again, you take the screenshot of all these slides whichever I will be showing henceforth. So you can, this will help you to take the decision properly. ಈಗ ನೀವು BMS ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ 2626 was the last rank. I mentioned earlier that 2000 was the will be the rank for the gate. After that only your rank will start. So these are all the college. BCA Bagalkot, so these are the ranks. So take the screenshot. Next, similarly, take the screenshot here. Now you can take the screenshot for this slide. So here you can see here PS College of Engineering Mandya and RV College of Engineering, and whatever this data is there, I will be uploading this PDF in our website www.sandpoint.co.in. You can again recheck, and in that you will find other branches of engineering also. Okay, so take all the screenshots. I won't be reading the college names and saying, because there is nothing much to explain. So take all these screenshots. Okay, so again, if you need any details with respect to PGCET, so you watch all the videos of PGCET in PGCET playlist. So hope the things are clear with respect to PGCET 2021. Okay, so this was the much awaited information which the students were wanting since long, and as soon as you will get the results, so you can decide upon which colleges you will get. And based on that, if you feel like, okay, I want this college only but my rank is little far, then obviously you can go with the management quota also. Now coming to GATE 2022, see, GATE exam will be conducted on February 1st and 2nd, Saturday and Sunday, and the students whoever have joined GATE classes of Sandpoint as well as any other institute, or if you are preparing on your own, you have to complete the syllabus by December 31st. Remember that. At any cost, you have to complete the syllabus by December 31st, and Jan full month you have to devote the time for revision, because GATE exam will not be an easy exam. So you need lot and lot of revision, you need lot and lot of practice, and you have to give lot of tests during this 1 month, Jan month. So from tests only you will learn how to manage time, you will learn how to use GATE digital calculator, and you will be well versed with the interface of GATE exam. So if you are targeting just for qualifying marks of GATE, somewhere around 33 or 35 marks, then I suggest you to concentrate on engineering mathematics, which will come for 13 marks, aptitude for 15 marks, geotechnical engineering 12 to 14 marks, environment engineering 12 to 14 marks, highway, airport, railway around 9 to 10 marks, irrigation 2 marks, hydrology 2 marks. So you concentrate only on these 7 subjects, you will definitely qualify. So if you don't have much time to concentrate on fluid mechanics, strength of materials, where the weightage of these subjects are very less in GATE, then leave those subjects, no harm. Just concentrate on the subjects whichever I have mentioned now. Do revision. Okay, you should not study anything new in this 1 month, that is in the month of Jan. So you have to follow this strategy, because any competitive exam, as I keep telling always, that strategy plays very major role. Randomness is not allowed. Okay, randomness allowed illa in any of the exam preparation. You have to study very much systematically, very much practical, very much strategically, and practice of gate calculator plays very major role. Remember this point. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಓದಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇವನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲ್. Practice gate calculator. And I have made lot of videos on gate exam, benefits of gate exam, high weighted subjects, how much you have to score, how the interface will be. So just check gate playlist, you will get all the information of gate exam. And students, if you are watching this video for the first time, that is if you are in third year or final year, still you can apply gate exam next year. And I suggest you to start your preparation now only, because gate is all about how much marks you will score end of the day. See, when we talk about government exams, their qualifying mark plays major role, that is cut off marks. Gate ಒಳಗೆ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ 33 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, 60 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, 70 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, 80 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದರದ್ದು ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಲಿಸ್ಟ್. If you are a serious gate aspirant, then I suggest you to watch all the videos, because ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕತ್ರ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 6 to 8 months ನೀವು ಡಿವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಗೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. Okay, so before starting your preparation, if you watch all the videos, you will get some very clear cut idea which will help you to prepare at least on your own, or you can join even Sandpoint also for gate course. Now coming to licensed land surveyor. So you might have seen the notification which happened some 2 days before, around 3000 vacancies bandavu. So personally what I feel is like it is not the right choice for the students. Okay, because ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಪರ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಐದರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಲೈಫ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೋಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಫಾಲೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನಂತ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಾನಂತ ನಾ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ PDF ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಂತ ನಾ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನೋ, ಇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್, ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ take lot of inspiration from my words. So daily I receive lot of messages, ma'am you are true inspiration for student community. So ನೀವು ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದಿಂತ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೈ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್, I think lot before giving that inputs, because lot of students are following whatever I am saying. So ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದಿಂತ ನನ್ನ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗತ್ತೈತಿ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಭಾಳ ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೇನಿ ಮೊದಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್, how it will help you for the future, and what education background students will apply for this licensed land surveyor. So ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್ before applying for any of the exams. Okay, it's not like the fee for the application is 500 rupee, 1000 rupee, other samad, athwa whether it is free. SSC JE is free mostly. So other samad or 100 rupees something. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫ್ರೀ ಐತೈತೆ ನಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾ ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಬಿಲೋ 18 ಏಜ್ದವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಮೆಚ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಇನಫ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಗೇನ್ ರೀಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ and take the decision wisely. And one more thing I always say, if you find any difficulty in taking any of the decision, career decision or any personal decision in your life, you can call me straight away and you can ask, ma'am, I am on the crossroads, I am not able to take the decision properly, so please help me. Definitely I am there to help you. Don't worry about that. And now coming to PWD exam, which will be conducted within 8 to 10 days. Okay. So I hope our students, that is the students whoever have joined Sandpoint course, or the students whoever are preparing on your own, you might have completed the syllabus, because technical subjects are very few. So do not skip anything. Remember, I keep saying the same thing for my students also, whoever have joined Sandpoint, that do not assume and do not skip the things. Ma'am, na bridge skip ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ, na hydrology skip ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ, na CTM skip ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ, because subjects are itself less. They are less than 1/3 of KPSC syllabus. So it's not affordable for you guys to skip any of the topic. Forget about subject. Any of the topic in the entire syllabus. So study everything. That is very, very important. And do the revision wisely. And in technical, I told you, concentrate on these like environmental, highway, SOM, essay, and in general studies, concentrate on history, polity, aptitude, reasoning, current affairs. So do the revision wisely. And the students whoever have got WRD results very recently, so a lot of our students have also got selected, and some of the students who are in touch with me, they have missed this AE opportunity just by a hair gap. Agati small percentage ಒಳಗೆ ಅವರು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾರು. They felt really bad and ನೀವು ಡಿಮೋಟಿವೇಟು ಆಗಿರಿ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೀಪ್ಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಡ್ ವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನನ್. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೇಕದು. ಸೊ ಏನೇನವೆಲ್ಲ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕು, ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೈಡ್ ವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನನ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೀಷಿಯಸ್. ಟೈಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಮನಿ. ಇವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂದೂ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅರ್ತ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೈತಿ, ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, WRD ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Even if you were the most eligible students to be as AE for WRD, even I felt bad. We felt really bad that you select agil anta, even though you were very much capable to be the AE, but still we cannot help, we cannot do anything. So next ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು 1 or 2 days, ಬಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಿಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದು ಲೈಫ್ ನಿಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಿಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Remember that as we keep getting older, our responsibilities also keeps increasing. So we have to accept our professional, personal responsibilities, and we have to keep moving ahead in our life. So without getting demotivated, for you WRD guys, whoever had applied, so I suggest you to concentrate on this upcoming PWD exam. Prepare well. This is what I wanted to share in this particular video. All the very best for the students whoever are preparing for any of the exams. And again, if you guys want to join for any of the courses with respect to civil engineering, either GATE, SSC, JEE, RRB, WRD, RDPR, PRED, whichever exam you say with respect to civil engineering, then you can try contacting us and join our courses, which we are offering at very, very affordable price. Very affordable price, which is not available anywhere. This assurance and quality teaching, whatever we are providing, I can give you like 100% assurance that if you concentrate on whatever we are providing, definitely you will reach your goal as early as possible. All the best.